Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a dance song here from the group Dance. And that makes sense. This one is called Move, so we have only 4 chords through the entire song. Let's go. Capo here on the 3rd fret, and we'll go over the chords. The first one will be E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next one is G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally, D. That is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. All right, so we have these chords in that order through the entire song. We need to look at one strumming pattern, and that is pretty much it. So E minor is the first chord. The strumming with E minor will sound like this. And that is one round. Goes pretty fast. So it's down, down, clap, down, up. Okay? So down, down, clap, down, up. Down, down, clap, down, up. And that is one round. Every chord here is about 2 strumming rounds. So 2 E minors, 2 Gs, 2 A minors, and 2 Ds. That will sound like this. And with standard tempo. And that will be like this through the entire song, almost. Cause about 1 minute and 21 seconds into the song. That is in the second verse. And the lyrics, you can tell me how you want it. There we have 1 chord progression round. That means E minor, G, A minor, and D. You will only play 1 down per chord. So, nothing too hard. And then you will continue for the rest of the song with this strumming pattern. And that pretty much covers Dance, Move. So, hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you soon, and play tuned.